Welcome to Pathfinders Trainings, guys. I'm Yogeshwar Vashishtha, and let's look at the Nifty. In the last few sessions, Nifty has rallied from 11,750 to almost 12,750. There has been a 1,000-point rally into the market, and this was the crash of Corona in March. And one thing that I've been talking before also into the market is that this market is cyclic. This is the balance line that we see. This is the balance line. And when the price becomes imbalanced, it comes back towards the balance line, imbalance, back to the balance line. And we see now here, again, if you see here, this is the balance line. This was a big imbalance that was there in the market. It again came back to the balance line here. And now we see again the same phenomena we are seeing. And now the price is very imbalanced. We have an imbalanced price. Imbalanced price. And the P of the market is touching around 33, 34, which is a very expensive valuation of the market. So once the smart money stops flowing in, on the upward side, we see there are gaps that have been left, especially this one. This looks to be the nearby target for the market, 11,916. So this is the immediate levels. And there are multiple gaps the market has created. It has created a gap here also. These are the two prominent gaps it has created. And this angle on which the market is moving right now, it is almost an impossible angle to sustain. And you can expect the market to correct from here. If I put simple Fibonacci's on this here, so if you see here, these are the various levels till which it can correct, and a 50% retracement is a normal retracement after the market has moved on the upward side. See, after the market has moved up. So these are the normal retracements that are there of the market here. So expect some profit booking. Now, if I look at the market leader Reliance, and we see Reliance had a similar case. It became very expensive here. It was imbalanced, and it is coming back to the balance line today. Even when the market went up, Reliance was selling. It was a very weak stock even in the weak market, and don't be very surprised if you see it very soon coming to about 1720 rupees level. Bank Nifty has a similar story. Bank Nifty also rallied up on the upward side here, and this is one gap that is still lying unfilled in Bank Nifty. All these gaps that were here have been filled now. So you might see even a little upside move into Bank Nifty. But otherwise, the market seems to be peaking now. And if I quickly look at the top 10 stocks of India, this is HDFC, same story. HDFC Bank, yeah, same. See, almost all of them are behaving the same. SBI has been a weak stock. So if you're looking for a shorting opportunity, you might want to focus on SBI, which today made a spinning top. TCS has already started showing weakness. Infosys is flat. ITC is a strong stock, but might face resistance at this 200-day moving average here. Axis Bank, another imbalanced stock. Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank is on a breakout. You see here, it has gone for a breakout from here. and the momentum will continue till you start signs of fatigue and reversal. Larsen and Toubro, another weak stock which has got a rally in the last 2 days, but with a very expensive market from here, I would start looking for some shorting opportunities in the coming days. And if you look at Nifty again back before I close, this looks to be the analysis of Nifty. Very expensive valuations, but still, since they are very much supported by volume, so look for a downtrend to start, but till the time the highs remain higher and the low keep on becoming higher, the uptrend is intact. So we have uptrending market with strong volumes, and start looking for shorting opportunities only when the trend changes. Thank you very much, guys. And I hope you like the analysis, and I will regularly keep on putting. You want to learn, you can come to my website, pathfinderstrainings.com, and the training details are there where you can become an independent trader and investor. Thank you.